Collagen is the glue that holds your body together, but after age 25, we start losing it. What if you could eat your way back to firm skin and strong joints? Today, we're looking at 5 superfoods that trigger collagen production from the inside out. First up, berries. These are rich in ellagic acid and vitamin C. On a cellular level, vitamin C is a mandatory cofactor for the enzymes that stabilize and cross-link your collagen fibers. Without it, your body simply can't build new collagen. The best time to eat: early morning on an empty stomach for maximum antioxidant absorption. Next is fatty fish like salmon. Omega-3 fatty acids protect the fatty membrane around your skin cells. This acts like a cellular shield, preventing collagen breakdown caused by UV rays and pollution. The best time to eat: lunch. These healthy fats provide sustained energy, while your body begins repairing skin tissue. Third is avocado. Packed with vitamin E, it acts as a scavenger for free radicals at a cellular level, stopping them from attacking the collagen matrix in your dermis. The best time to eat: late morning or as part of your lunch to help absorb other fat-soluble vitamins. Fourth, grab a handful of walnuts or almonds. These provide essential zinc and copper. Copper is the key to activating lysyl oxidase, the enzyme required to give your skin its snapback quality. The best time to eat: a 3 p.m. snack to stabilize blood sugar and provide building blocks for overnight repair. Finally, bell peppers. These are vitamin C powerhouses and contain capsaicin, which helps fight the inflammatory processes that degrade collagen. The best time to eat: dinner. This ensures a steady supply of vitamin C for your body's peak repair mode while you sleep. Start incorporating these 5 foods today to rebuild naturally. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness tips. See you in the next video.